Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute participants upon entry in Zoom. So, let's get started. First of all, open your Zoom app and make sure you are signed in. Then, start a new meeting. Once you are in, click on Participants from the toolbar. Click the three dot option in the Participants menu. From the drop-down menu, click Mute Participants upon entry. A confirmation will pop up. Just click Continue to mute upon entry. If you want to permanently mute participants upon entry, open your web browser and go to the official website of Zoom at zoom.com. Then sign in. After that, click on Settings from the left sidebar and go to the Schedule Meeting section. Scroll down until you see Mute all participants when they join a meeting. Toggle it to turn it on. And that's it. Now you know how to mute participants upon entry in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.